All these rotting plants reek.
Look who's talking. Don't you remember our talk about forearms needing 4 times the deodorant?
There's no way, there's no way, there's no way. Say you swear to God. Say you swear to God. Put that on Allah. Say, put that on Allah. Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi. Say you swear to God that just happened. I just spent $200,000.
What do you today?
Hey, Quandale Dingle here. I just escaped prison. I am staying at my friend Juandale Pringle's house.
Good job, Ben. Let's get back on the road.
Yo, what the fuck? That was so fucked up, you guys.